Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add sounds to Discord Soundboard. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Adding Soundboard to your Discord server is pretty simple, but it requires to have only a few people on server to make it work. Okay, so go over to your server settings, and here you can find the Soundboard settings. You can then upload your sound. Now it has to be in MP3 format and less than 500 kilobytes size. So let's go ahead and upload our sound. Here, you can adjust the sound duration as well as the volume. You can add name to it and also the icon like an emoji. Once it's uploaded, you're done. And by the way, you can only upload up to 8 sounds without the nitro boost. Okay, so let's test it out. Now in order to use the soundboard, you have to be on a voice channel. Once you join, the soundboard icon will pop up right here. And when you click on it, you can select the sound that you make. So there you have it. You've successfully created your own sound in Soundboard Discord. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.